So this is the printer I'm using for my F-35, I'm sorry, F-86, F-35 to come later. It's for a ducted fan, 90mm fan. This is the printer biqu. I will be updating the heads on this to a dual head. And right there, as you can see, there's no stepper motor. Well, we gotta fix that. So, this is my printer. Right now it's printing one of the parts for the F-86. This is piece number 9. And here's the rest of the aircraft here. I wouldn't say the rest, but it's getting there. Spring loaded for the canopy, see right there. Where the duct fan goes, the only thing I didn't like about this print is right here, it overlaps where the circle is for the ducted fan. So when I tried pushing it in, yeah, I didn't fit inside here because this is in a way, and all it did was expand the body a little bit too. But yeah, it's my 3D printed F-86 Sabre servos. Oh yeah, so as you can see, it's not a perfect print, and that's kind of okay, because I want to see and show that even if you don't get a good print, how the aircraft will fly. So hopefully we'll have some good results. A few errors on the aircraft here. I couldn't get it to seam right here, right? But I'll fix that with an X-Acto knife, see if I can get them to line up and re-glue it. It's gonna look kind of ugly because then the glue is gonna have to be on the outside, but it's better than probably what it looks like right now. Oh, and that's one thing I've had a problem with. See, as you can see, on the outside, it prints really good. As you can see on the inside, I have a little bit of stringing going on, a little bit extra extrusion. So I can put it in a Halloween. See, look at that nest right there. That spider nest. Yeah, that just comes right off, but it's just annoying to clean a piece. Extra plastic I don't need. But the problem with that, it's the reason why that's happening is right there. As you can see, every time it goes backwards, the retraction, you'll see a string come across. See right there. So right there, when it pulled back, well, as soon as it pulls away from this area, see, there's a string right there that it just did. And that has to do with that. I can't fix that on the printer settings. I just need to upgrade the equipment there to where you see that brass one back there, the one with the, I guess, copper tone to it, kind of like copper, I guess more of gold. Anyways, where it's losing its traction is because this thing is a little wheel right here, so it's pinching against a filament to pinch against here, but in doing so, there's some slippage. So if I just have it as 2 gears, that'll solve that problem, but then I have to recalibrate the settings on this thing because the retraction rate and the pull in will be different. So there's a little bit of math involved when you do that. But that's pretty much it. I'll get some video in of me printing the wings. Let's see how those go. Hopefully those, I got a little bit more dialed better. So that way we have more of a wing, good wing surface. but we'll see what happens. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching.